Today, we're diving into classic cars that stay under 10 grand, but deliver the kind of character modern cars can only dream of. We've got a seriously upgraded 1977 Chevrolet Corvette L82, finished in classic black on black and priced at $10,000 in Port Orange, Florida. This isn't your average late C3 because almost everything under this car has been refreshed. It shows just over 52,000 miles, runs an automatic transmission, and comes with a long list of brand new performance parts. The engine has been bored 30 over, fitted with new aluminum heads, a new aluminum intake, a new carburetor, and a fresh aluminum radiator. It also has new short tube headers feeding into a brand new exhaust system. The seller didn't stop there. This Corvette also received a completely new rear suspension with new trailing arms, a new short shaft, new wires and distributor cap, a new brake booster, and all new vacuum lines with a vacuum block. Even the cooling system is refreshed with a new fan shroud. Inside, it features new carpet and new cargo doors, giving the interior a much cleaner look. For anyone wanting a classic C3 with major mechanical work already done, this L82 is one of the strongest deals you'll find. And that's the beauty of classics under 10 grand. Each one carries history, personality, and a story waiting to be continued. If you enjoyed the hunt, hit that like button, subscribe for more hidden gems, and I'll see you in the next find.